Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about Sidekick Airdrop. So this is a trending airdrop campaign on Telegram that you can participate in to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward. So I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step guide on how to partake in this airdrop campaign to stay positioned for some massive reward. This is a project that is backed by Binance and coin market cap. So I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step guide on what to do to stay positioned for this airdrop campaign. First of all, I'm going to tell you guys what this project is all about. So this is a project owned by Sidekick Lab. So Sidekick Lab is the consolidation hub for social games and beyond, backed by Binance Lab. It's offering up to 50,000 diamonds to Telegram users based on their account's age, with additional reward available for inviting friends and completing simple tasks. This diamond could be your next big win, so don't miss out on it. So Sidekick redefines the way users connect and earn from their digital activities by leveraging app protocol technology, enabling fans, creators, and players to turn their engagement into tangible reward. So beyond interaction, Sidekick offers tools that make monetization straightforward, helping users grow their data presence across various communities, making it your gateway to transforming online interaction into meaningful game. So this is what this project is all about. So for you to get started, what you need to do first of all is to launch the Sidekick fan bot on Telegram to start your journey, which I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. So after clicking on the link, it's going to direct you to your Telegram. So I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. So please make sure to use the link so that you can get 50,000 diamond. So this diamond is going to be converted to their utility token in the future. And don't forget, this is a project backed by Binance, and surely it is going to be listed on Binance. So once you register with my link, you are going to get 50,000 diamond based on your Telegram account age. Complete the available social tasks to collect additional diamonds, invite your friends, and earn up to 5,000 diamonds per every referral. Browse the Sidekick homepage and follow account to collect more diamonds. So you can also perform daily check-in, but for you to start this daily check-in, you need to activate it with 0.02 ton, which is around $0.1 currently at the time of making this video. So guys, for you to get started, this is what you need to do. So I'm going to show you guys what to do. I'm going to drop the link at the description of this video. So now you just need to click on the link, then you click on start, then you click on tap to start, then you click on start. All right, so this is it. For this account, I got 10,000 Sidekick as reward because this is a Telegram account I just opened recently, and I still got 10,000 Sidekick. So now what you just need to do is to click on connect wallet. So connect it to any of your preferred wallets, but I recommend you use wallets in Telegram. So for those of you that don't know how to open a wallet in Telegram, I made a video on how to open wallet in Telegram. Please make sure to watch the video. I'm going to drop the video link at the description of this video that is going to guide you on how to open wallet in Telegram, or you can check the card. So you can check the card. This is how to open wallet in Telegram. That's the link. So now what you need to do is to click on any of your preferred wallet, but I'm going to click on open wallet in Telegram. All right, so it's going to show you something like this. What you just need to do is to click on connect wallet. Okay, so back to Sidekick fans. Okay, so I just connected my wallet. So now what you just need to do is to click on tags. So for the first tags, you have to invite 5 friends, which is not compulsory. So this tax is not compulsory, but if you want to invite, it is good so that you can get 100,000 diamond. So for the first social tax, you have to connect your wallet. So we have already connected our wallet and we got 5,000 diamond. So for this, you have to subscribe to their channel. So you click here. going to bring you here. Make sure to subscribe, join them on Discord. You click here, going to take you to Discord so that you can join them. Well, times I normally bypass all these tags, but just click on invite. Even though you did not join the Discord, you can just minimize back and it's going to tick it for you. Follow CMC. So if you click here, if you have accounts with Coin Market Cap, just log in your account. If you wish to follow them, you can follow them. But if you go back, it's going to tick it for you. Follow us on X. Follow here. Make sure to follow them on X. Maybe use your preferred browser. Follow them on X if you wish. So I already logged in my X account on this browser. So following. So if you come back, check out our Sidekick homepage. Click here to see their homepage. I'll go back. Retweet this campaign. Click here again. If you have Twitter app, it's going to direct you to Twitter. So follow you like this and retweet or repost. Done. Follow our founder. If you click here, it shows something like this. You can follow him. If you want to follow, fine. Follow our founder again. Same thing. Join our Telegram. Alright, so you can join them on Telegram. Unable to join, so you can see we have just claimed all these reward. So now you minimize back and you can see we got 25,000 diamond. Okay, and you can see I got 25,000 diamond. Alright guys, so for you to get more Sidekick diamonds, you need to activate your pass. So what you need to do is to buy this pass. So this is currently worth $0.1. So you need 0.02 ton to activate this. So you can buy the pass, but if you have a massive community that you can refer, fine, but it is still good to activate the pass because maybe they can use it as a means of criteria. So if you're in Nigeria, this is like 200 and something naira, so it's not big. You just need to buy Ton coin from any centralized wallet, be it Binance, Bybit, or Gate.io, and then send it to your wallet. So for those of you using wallet in Telegram, you just click wallet in Telegram. Like I said, I made a video on how to open wallet in Telegram, which I'm going to drop at the description of this video. Click on your Ton space beta, then click on deposit, copy your address. So copy your address, then you're good to go. Then wait for it. Within 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you're going to receive your Ton coin. So I already have some little amount of Ton in this wallet, which I'm going to use now. So just click on buy now. So this is how to activate your battle pass for you to start claiming daily check-in and the rest. So you just click on 0.02 ton. Wait for it to process. Alright, so it's going to show you something like this. Then you just need to click on confirm and click on confirm. Like that is so. Confirm, then click on back. So I've already confirmed this. Want to confirm transaction. The transaction is pending. It may take 1 to 2 minutes to finish the payment on Ton. Please check your status later. So just click on got it. Okay, so guys, looking on the screen, we have activated the pass. So you just click on go. Now you can perform your daily check-in. So gain your diamonds with daily login street. So it's going to start from 500 diamonds to 50k diamonds. So the more the days, the more the diamonds. So you have confirmed this. So for their other campaign, you can see play cartizan. So just click on play. If you want to start cartizan, fine. Well, I made a video on how to play cartizan. You can check my channel on how to play cartizan. So if you click here, you can see we have claimed the 10,000 cartizan reward. So just click on reward. Okay, so it has added up. So every 24 hours, come back here and claim your battle pass. So please make sure to be active on this, because this is a project backed by Binance and CMC, which is Coin Market Cap. So guys, this is what you need to do. For you to get your invite link, you can click on invite, then copy your invite link and you can share it to your friends. So for those of you that don't normally like anything relating to invite, so let me just give you guys a scope. You can use your friends around, invite them even though they are not interested in something like this. Or if you have many SIM cards, just make sure to open Telegram account and refer yourself. So that was what I did in my other account. I referred myself. So you can use your friends, you can use your siblings, you can use your parents to refer yourself. But make sure to get these 100,000 diamond points. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on this project. If there's any information, I'm going to tell you guys. So please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell, because I'm going to keep you guys updated. And please be serious with this, because this project just came out recently. So please be serious with this. The higher your diamond, the higher the chance of you getting a massive reward. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.